Hi, I'm Sam from TL Products and we're at the fire safety event demonstrating our SCP 500 panels. It's a networkable control panel where you can do up to 31 devices. We have a 3-core point and we have a 3-core network between the panels. It's designed for both retrofit and new build projects. And we also have a HMI screen which will give you indication for every zone, as well as faults and activation, and also an activity log for every activation, every fault over a period of time. The panels are engineer friendly. You can configure with dip switches, and it's got easy to follow LED indication with labels on the board to tell you what the faults are. It has an adjustable dial for comfort cooling. That is where you want to reduce the comfort opening positions less than what the smoke opening position will be. In terms of the connections, we have an input for a key switch, we have a rocker switch, we have a 3-core core point, and our new 3-core core point that allows for smoke sensor connection directly to the core point and comfort connection directly to the core point. And that's it from the Fire Safety Show. Thank you for everyone that came to visit our stand. It's been a great success and we look forward to hearing from you after the show.